Everyone, welcome to the month-end edition of Asia Link Sketchwalk. No, this is the Urban Sketching Singapore end of month gathering here at Toa Payoh Sportshub. Hello. Once again, you're tuned to the Alvin Art channel. I make art wherever I go here on this island of Singapore. Remember this kacang putih seller at P Center? He's not open today, unfortunately. Toa Payoh New Town is Singapore's second oldest satellite town. The Toa Payoh Sports Hub is situated in the southern part of the new town, very near the central hub. It consists of a stadium, a sports hall, and a swimming complex. Okay, yay! So Hui is organizing this. With this yellow band, we get to go in free. So let's do that. Thank you. I'll see you all inside. Yes, and we're back here again. There are people here, so it'll be an interesting sketch. Alright, I wasn't expecting this, but check this out. There's a swimming competition happening right now. Let's figure this out. Well, at least now there are people. What do I mean by that? Last Tuesday, I was here for a sketch and it was pool cleaning day. There was no one in sight. Interestingly, I forgot to bring my canvas, so I never made a painting that day. On hindsight, I'm glad I didn't paint last Tuesday. Something went wrong with the transfer of my time-lapse clips. Everything disappeared, boo-hoo, and I deleted the files, so I'm not able to show you the progression of the painting. I've got to share this with you. There was a little boy, swimmer, about 8 years old, who came up to me and said, "Nice painting, can I buy that from you?" He probably didn't get permission from his mom for that, so I told him politely that I wasn't selling it. It's a huge area. Well, in terms of Singapore, it's a huge area, so a lot of us are out. There's a big swimming event and it's going to be the last event because this building is going to be torn down real soon. Let's go see who else is around. Go say hi to them. Don't you just like the smell of chlorine? Some people. Let's go check them out.
It's so ugly. But it's how I started.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Shuhan reminds me so much of that mayor from Suwon. I don't know why. Here are some more clips of him for you to compare. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm right in front of the mayor of Suwon. No, not this guy with long hair. So, yes or no?
This is how I started, and this is how I ended on the same trip. I realized I can see perspective differently.
Okay, welcome to Singapore. What brought you here?
My family is still here.
Did you know him before?
We saw
First time?
recently on
Okay.
so I see him.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Like your style.
Oh, thank you, sir. Are you here to sketch?
First time. Today then I see. I walk around, take a bus.
It's raining. I don't know where to go.
Okay, okay.
My name Peter.
Peter, nice to meet you.
I'd like to see you.
Thank you. Peter did that. Yay. I'm gonna head back to the swimming pool because it's been raining on and off. Once again, we are just 1 degree north of the equator. I think tropical. Yay! Wow! This is from the outside. No, just in here, right?
Yeah, there.
Okay. Well done. What did you use today? What are all these colors? What is it? Is it like a marker?
Brush pen.
Brush pen?
These are, like, all my coloring is done with the brush pen.
Oh, koi. Thank you. Which is your favorite color to use? I like the
don't know.
lilac.
Yeah, I like the lilac, but like everything else is quite mismatched.
Thanks for sharing.
Post this, please remember the hashtag aquatic ActiveSG Toa Payoh. Anyone else coming? I think we're fine. This was quite an impromptu decision for this venue because we heard it was actually an IJOU sketchwalk last week that we came here and then we met Ahmad, right? And he said that this place is closing in what, 3 days? This week, Tuesday, in about 3-4 days time. And the plan was to revamp, right?
Pele was here to conduct training. This is one of the places that hold a lot of memories. And 1993 also for SEA Games and also Youth Olympic Games, the first one. Okay, so finally he has to go for redevelopment. And subsequently in 2030, we will house the polyclinic and also the library, and the park will be part of us. It'll be a nice thing. You can take a look at the new all this board.
So this is what it's gonna be turned into.
You're from Singapore? Okay, cool. Yeah, and it's your first time joining us? Welcome. Thank you for joining us.
So once again, this is Alvin Mark covering for USkSg. This is the month-end gathering and we are here at the Toa Payoh swimming complex. Saying goodbye to this place until the next episode. Stay well and creative wherever you are. Ciao, ciao. My sketcher friends who went to Suwon had Chinese food. I decided to have some Korean. If you miss the sketching adventures in Suwon, don't forget to click the links that will appear soon.